Welcome to our Jumpstarter Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular jumpstarters, the NOCO Boost GB70 and the AVAPOW 6000A. Both of these devices promise to deliver reliable performance, but which one is truly the best for your needs? We'll explore their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you decide. Let's get started. Let's talk about power output. The NOCO Boost GB70 offers a peak output of 2,000 amps, making it suitable for gasoline engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters. On the other hand, the AVAPOW 6000A boasts an impressive peak output of 6,000 amps, allowing it to jumpstart all gas engines and diesel engines up to 12 liters. This significant difference in power output means that the AVAPOW can handle a wider range of vehicles, making it a more versatile choice for users who may need to jumpstart larger engines. Next, let's examine engine compatibility. The NOCO Boost GB70 is designed for gasoline engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters, making it a solid option for most standard vehicles. In contrast, the AVAPOW 6000A is compatible with all gas engines and can handle diesel engines up to 12 liters. This broader compatibility makes the AVAPOW a more flexible choice for users with diverse vehicle needs. Finally, let's look at the charging options. The NOCO Boost GB70 features a single USB port for charging devices, which is functional but somewhat limited. In contrast, the AVAPOW 6000A comes equipped with dual USB ports, including one quick charge port, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. This added convenience is a significant advantage for users who need to keep their gadgets powered up while on the go. In conclusion, both the NOCO Boost GB70 and the AVAPOW 6000A offer excellent features for jump-starting vehicles. The NOCO is known for its reliability and compact design, while the AVAPOW stands out with its higher peak amps and dual USB charging options. Depending on your specific needs, one may be a better fit for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.